Foundation of SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing a website to rank higher in non-paid search engine results. The foundation of SEO involves several important tasks, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and setting up and checking SEO tools. Keyword research is the most important task in SEO, as it allows you to optimize the keywords your customers search for and drive targeted traffic to your website. On-page optimization involves optimizing URLs, tags, descriptions, structure, navigation, and user experience, UX. It is also important to keep in mind technical SEO factors related to mobile friendliness and loading speed, as well as content and off-page optimization. The goal of SEO is not simply to optimize for search engines but rather to structure your content so that target audiences can easily find content that provides the answers they seek. By spending time to properly structure your content for search engines, your organization could see increased traffic, engagements, and customers over time. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.